Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today I'll be showing you the difference between the hard drive, standard mechanical hard drive and SSD hard drive. As you can see just now, a standard mechanical hard drive mistake. We'll be now testing the PC with the old hard drive, mechanical hard drive, how long it's taking switching on. Let's go do it and count the time. 3, 2, 1, go. Already 28, 30 seconds. And nearly 1 minute. 1 minute is now. And I still don't count it as a fully load Windows, as you cannot click properly. Okay, you can click here, you can click here, but you cannot click right click on the desktop. That means still not fully load for me. But you can say it actually take about 1 minute, 1 minute 15 seconds till you see the windows, but you can still use it. Now you can use it. Now it means 1 minute 49 seconds. That's it. 1 minute and 49 seconds. One minute 49 seconds. Yeah, that's the time. Over the 1 minute 50 seconds, nearly 2 minutes. And with the new hard drive, is take it. Okay, and now we will compare this hard drive with SSD switching on. Look at that. It will just switch on this PC now and count how quick is actually loading the Windows with the new SSD hard drive. Last time it's been 1 minute 50 seconds with the old mechanical hard drive, and with this new one is now 17 seconds, 22 seconds, and is all done. Yeah, you got 30 seconds. Yeah, it's 30 seconds and it's all done. Brilliant. That's how much quicker is it. Just quick like this. Look at that. Switch on PC and take the power, and you can start actually counting from this point, and that should be just only about 20 to 30 seconds. It's a really good time even on this old PC. That means, yeah, definitely buy the SSD hard drive because it's absolutely fast. Look at that, it's there, it's already all the Windows. Brilliant. Hopefully you click like, subscribe, and don't forget to share my channel as well, and stay tuned for more video like this. See you later. Bye.